Okay, so you know who your potential clients are, you know about their needs, and you know how your expertise through your content can help meet those needs. You also know about the media they consume, where and how they digest their content. But now, how do you create a great content idea and match it to your buyer journey? That's what we're going to talk about now in step 6 of the 8-step content marketing strategy kit. Okay, so let's get started and move to the instructions and worksheet for step 6. If you haven't downloaded the instructions and worksheet for this step yet, you can get them free as part of the kit at contentr.ca. Okay, the first task is to review your matches from step 4. That is where the audience needs matches your expertise. And then from that, with task number 2, brainstorm content ideas for each need. Think about ways to educate, inspire, or guide your audience. Review your channels from step 5 and align your content idea with suitable channels, such as LinkedIn, email, or podcasts. Don't focus on selling. This is incredibly important. Include ideas that build awareness, answer questions, and provide valuable information that helps your clients solve problems and make decisions. Make sure your content adds value. This isn't about the hard sell. This is about building trust and building your brand and building your reputation. Task number 3 is place each idea in the right buyer journey stage. For example, if you're looking to build awareness, content that names the problem, shares insights, or sparks curiosity. For consideration, content that compares approaches or offers tips without hard selling. The decision, content that builds customer confidence in you. And retention and advocacy, content that supports customers and encourages sharing. Next, keep a running list. Add ideas whenever inspiration strikes. Revisit your audience research regularly to keep ideas fresh and relevant. Okay, for this worksheet again, we're using a fictitious company as an example. We're revisiting HarborFlex Industrial Partners, which is an industrial equipment manufacturer. And here are their list of content ideas matched with their buyer journey. Okay, for the audience mid-sized distributors, the need is to improve supply reliability, and the content idea is how to reduce stockouts. 4 forecasting practices top distributors use. The journey stage is awareness, and the channel is a LinkedIn article plus an email newsletter. The next audience is mid-sized distributors. The need is evaluate supplier partners. The content idea is a case study. How distributor X increased your order reliability by 18%. The journey stage is consideration, and the channel is website case study plus LinkedIn post pointing to the website. Another example is for the procurement managers, compare vendor options, vendor evaluation checklist, 10 questions to ask any manufacturer partner. This is the consideration again with a downloadable PDF. And of course, always would encourage you to promote this on LinkedIn or your social channels, as well as your e-newsletter or blog. Okay, so those are just a few examples from HarborFlex Industrial Partners. Okay, that was step 6. You now have some concrete content ideas and have matched them up to the buyer journey. Congratulations. Next is step 7, where we create what every great content strategy needs, a content calendar. I'm looking forward to it. Talk soon.